Ka regional committee balathau na gabantaban penbet yu upur usam hapedeng ke jela Assam at Meghalaya haka Khanduli tori unai lar kala her Shillong Khanduli West Jante Hills District ban jurep yu upur usam. Najala Meghalaya lalam khamat usembut Menteri Rangba uba asnya bhalang dhar armur ki MLA ba Comingwan Ambon uba nujor ki sungo nang tau DC West Jante Hills uba BS Solia USP West Jante Hills District ba C Serti UCM KJDC ba Thombor Shiwat bat kiwe. Najala Assam pat alam khamat Menteri Sorkar Piyush Hazarika UMLA Rup Singh Tiron ke Deputy Commissioner West Karbi Anglong ka Krishna Barwa USP ka West Karbi Anglong bat kiwe. Hashnong Khanduli kini kidukhat ka regional committee kila le Europe ya ka jaka babu ya ka entry tax gate kumjuru kila Europe ya upur bakhadu ni 0 point ka Khanduli. Upish Hazarika ulaong ka jingwan Europe ya ka Khanduli ka de halor ka nongrem ban yora ya ka bui report shaki ar Sorkar jela ki ban saya kran halor ka ne ka phang banang tapat panra ya ka jingkran sasha ka Sorkar pedeng. Ulang ru ba kamdon ka jingkhang ya kalit kawan ki pa ba hapeng ki arjai penri hinyau terpat Karbi. Upiyush ulakanta ru ban krong Khajna na ki bre penar hendre ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC kelala ban krong Khajna tang na ki jai penri Karbi. Nakalia usia bhalang dhar pat habakran shakila pakai kubor ulong ba ka jingle cha Khanduli de halor ka jingbo ya ka entry tax gate ya ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council khnang pandan kalit kawan balai luit nakata ka daw lay kendu lang baro ar ki jai penri shu ong ba ki Menteri Rangba na ki arjala kin saya kendu banyak keren halor ka neka kam
Pinewood Hotel convention hall long tara sonsi dulu kalau data tu lah somsi wilo, lada Karbi Anglong pen kasih pernah korte tu mana hang pon Karbi Anglong Karbi rong asar mungkin itu hang he. Sini hadak kudun lo, lake injustice lo lake oinai lo itu apa? Cuma tu orang kesar doa Karbi tu orang sana hang he pilo. So nasi lahai, alang tu mah order dulu ke klaim dah order dulu sini lo lake, alang tu mah bang kipikan tu dulu. Heli dak lokal itu thot pagwer kham khewer pusi openly non marki puhai chok lasine tum ke afang de pulo itu ke Meghalaya pen border la ko si bohong wi de tum ke long ita we nang pin na pi we have nothing to get and will keep nothing to give to we maintain our earlier stand that a constitutional boundary lines fixed in 1951 as per the recommendation of Boundary Commission. Kalabang se status quo ante se maintain. Laban lang tung claim Lower Block 2 ke historically belongs to Yantia Hills. Argumenting ke this is not wrong. This is wrong. This is wide off the mark. Like a chokse pig law. Lower Block 2 belongs to Karbi Kingdom, which choosing as its capital. Non tak Karbi hari so dak rong arak situ lang. Kalima. Nah sila ke historically dak kan timur tak toxic.
You said that block 1 and block 2 is not on the any.
Yeah.
How do you?
They claim by some pressure group and successive group of Meghalaya that block 1 and block 2 belong to Yantia Hills. Historically, this is not true. This is not true. Why it was transferred to Mikir Hills? There is a big question here. Why there was initial state of opposition from Punar. Wait. There was opposition. Initially, there was opposition from Punar brothers living in Block 1 and Block 2. But later on, good sense prevailed, and a population survey was conducted, and it was found out that 75%. I am not saying it. It's the census report says. And this census report was prepared by Mr. Tang, not by the Karbi officer, by NT officer, Tang IAS. And in the report says that 75 to 80% of the population belongs to Karbi tribe. So taking comparative Mikir and Puna population into consideration, This area is transferred to Bikir Hills and the matter ended here.
Here is right and clear. That but this is one both halang.
The matter ended here. Now the question is that, we have no any issue with Meghalaya people. Only if that constitutional boundary, I call it status quo ante, is maintained, there will be no problem. They are Punars are our brothers. And I call it, this is anti-tribal conspiracy. This give and take is an anti-tribal conspiracy. And a conspiracy to divide the tribal people. And after the announcement of this policy, a lot of mistrust, bad blood, mistrusting have been created. And who suffers? Who suffers? People suffer. You suffer. So I saw, let me finish. Okay, government of Meghalaya has formulated a policy give and take.
Yes.
It clearly indicates that after the talk is resolved, say now Meghalaya is demanding PCR, Khanduli, Mukro, etc. etc. This area will be transferred to Meghalaya. But Meghalaya government has not specifically clarified. If at all we have to transfer this area to Meghalaya, which village they are going to give us from Meghalaya? Jawai, Nongpo, or this Solia Karbi village, or Rongado Karbi village of Dibhoi. Let them specify, then only we'll talk.
What about this?
In constant touch with VIP from Meghalaya.
No, as elders here from grassroots.
Yeah.
Because
In 1985 also,
you here are living here.
in 1985 also it happened. At that time, during the civil ministership of Captain Sama, and Lapang was the minister. They are demanding the wholesale transfer of Block 2 and Block 1. We went to Meghalaya Secretariat, we went to Lapang South, we went to Kemolong South, we talk and talk and talk. People live peacefully. It's not we who impose the blockade, it's there. You talk to your own people. Let them
according to allegation that Karbi, the Spnar people went to Batholangso and they have this party field there, right? So they claim that you people block them. And now when we talk to you, you said these people are blocking you. That's what I say. As the elders of the Karbi, have you initiated any meeting?
I think we had 2-3 meetings on this topic. Now the problem is, all this area for the time being, after some time, we cannot guarantee. But for the time being, it is within the administrative jurisdiction of Karbi Autonomous Council. So what your people do, I can show you the evidence. They will acquire land from Karbi brothers. And just after acquiring the land, they would go to Jawai and procure another land document from Khajna District Council. So there is a conflict. We say that, we are saying that you come and cultivate your land, will help. But you must possess this land document from Karbi.
Thank you. Okay, so briefly, the tension escalated.
So actually today visit as a committee of the regional committee from Meghalaya side. I think all of you are aware that because of this council gate was there and tension has come. And today we had visit both the committee from the Assam side and from the Meghalaya side. I mean to create the confidence of the people of this area, number one. And also we are request for peace. It should be free movement from now onward. There should be no grumbling like before. And the main agenda today is that we are very happy to hear and to listen and to hear all the voice and the suggestion, the advice from both sides of the instance. And yes, I will receive from the country especially what are the demands and what are the views. So my duties as a chairman of the committee now, I will submit the report for inspection today to our honorable chief minister. And the same thing from the Assam, so they will do the same thing. And then when the committee at the state level of both the chief minister, so then they will take a call how to move forward. And like how chairman from the Assam, as I mentioned just now, obviously we are doing, maybe the committee will decide the official team will visit all the areas of defense to the particular village and we will take a view from the people who reside in that area. And then we'll take a call against.
Means as of now, I mean that entry gate of KAC have been
It's
removed.
not there. Now only police is there. Yes, it was there before. And when this tension come and they removed, police was there. Why you put police in order to maintain the law and order? And maybe the police will slowly we will remove it from that.
Okay, Mr. Rompi.
Not Rompi,
Sorry. Since you are from here, since 4 months now, the economic has been affected of both Karbi and Tang. What is your say on this?
Now, because of now, I welcome to and congratulate to the Buddha government also to taking the necessary action for the amicable solution for about the border issue, the present issue, and also this is the first time to visit both side the government. Taking the decision will be taken by the government also both side government. This is my end. Yes, okay.
Will you initiate any other peace meeting from the local
not
That's all.
Just now, Alvin sir have already expressed that 21,000 people of Khasi Panar have been living here peacefully with the people of Karbi Anglong. And at the same time, 20,000 people living in Meghalaya, in Marmi and other parts of Meghalaya. So what do you say that?
We have accepted our Khasi brothers, Garo brothers and Janja brothers who are living in Karbi Anglong as our own. They are the citizen of Karbi Anglong. We have no problem with that. We live with them, we love with them, we play with them, we cry with them. There is no problem with that. But the issue is about the land. And everyone should know that land is very serious issue.
Thank you.